like slim, sometimes I like thick. Sometimes I combine and I like them slick. Them slick probably went over your head. Couldn't lay up, I just went over for head. Made her change of plans when she bent over the bed. And now she on the balcony, pinned over the ledge. Been a few days, but I sent over some bread. It can get rough with tuition and rent over your head. Not to save hoes or rescue anybody, but a nigga know what stress do to the body. And I done seen you in the best shoes, but Zanatti shit be looking like fresh shoes on Bugattis. And I don't know who invented high heels, but I swear we all on one. And if you do know that man, girl, I be like, where you know I'm from? You so slick, so small, curvy, teeth all pearly, hair all curly. Was a tomboy.
Alright guys, so today I'm just going to show you how to adjust your shift knob, because mine actually came crooked. This was facing like sideways and I didn't know how to do it, so I looked up a couple videos, and me, just because I love watching 9th gen videos, I thought I'd make my own. So the first thing you want to do is pull this down. At first when I did it, I thought I was going to break it, but believe me or not, you're just unclipping it. And the way I like doing it is I like pulling it down from the sides like that, and see it just comes right down. Don't worry guys, nothing's going to happen to your car. Right here, this little mount right here. So after you do that, you want to get your tool. I use the wrench, size 14. You can't see it, it won't focus, but just told you the size. And then, so mine, I fixed it, but I'll loosen it for you guys to show you, like, if you guys have it tightened and it's all sideways, I'll show you how to loosen it. And then after that, I'll show you how to adjust it. So let me put the camera down. Okay. So you want to put your wrench into the bottom bolt first. Hold this down, like pulling down to the right, and you want to screw your shift knob to the left, so like that. So then after you're done loosening your shift knob, you can move this up or down like so, and then adjust your shift knob how you want it. I screwed it all the way down, and then after I screwed it all the way down, I just made it to how I wanted it to be. That. So you pull a wrench to the left and you tighten your shift knob to the right. Just go ahead and do that. Alright, so it's tight now. And let me see. Now it looks good. Well, in my opinion. Sitting good, sitting straight. And yeah, that's it. So my next video, I'll show you guys how to put a custom picture on your info screen. Let me go ahead and make it dark for you. So here's me and my girlfriend at Boiling Crab. So yeah, next video I'll make sure to show you guys how to do that for those who are interested. And thanks for watching, guys.